What did you expect? I was all alone in the world.
October 6th right now. Freaking math is starting pretty hard. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, but as you can see, it's very windy in the water. See that? Pretty windy right now. Everybody's staying inside their houses. It's pretty freaking crazy. A.m. October 7th. Little trees on the floor, nothing too crazy. The water rised pretty badly out there. There's a couple of trees over there too. Hopefully this harder. Again, 9 a.m. Nothing too crazy happening around here. Trees are fine, it's not raining. It was like the wind was pretty crazy last night because the car is filled with, I don't know, little trees and stuff. It's stuck. It's fine though. It's all good. So you can see nothing really happened. Thank God we're all fine.
Ah, que lo estaba buscando.